I don't know what time it is where you are, but good morning to you. It's been a long night as we left Chad's house. You may remember Chad from a previous video, or maybe you didn't see it. Say, good morning, Chad.
Good morning, Scott.
Anyway, been a long night as we come down to an area we love called Factory Butte. It's in central Utah near Capitol Reef National Park. It's an area with some just gorgeous badlands. And speaking of bad, today is windy day. And so I don't know what we're going to get. We may just have to spend today scouting places out for tomorrow, because the forecast for tomorrow is supposed to be nice, no wind. Unfortunately, the forecast is also for clear, and you know, you always like some clouds when you can get them. But anyway, so that's our hope for today, and we'll see what happens. It's a little bit afternoon on the second day on this two-day trip, and yesterday was so windy, and I'm putting this in at the first, even though it's really towards the end of our trip, but I just wanted to give you a few hints of what you're likely to see during the rest of the vlog. And Chad got a lot of great shots. What were some of your favorite places to go, Chad?
Well, we have the overlook, which is always good. And Factory Butte, you can't go wrong with that. We have what we call the Star Wars, but then I picked up a lot of good shots along the way in between here and the hotel. So. I'm most excited about, I got some pretty good drone footage, and that's really what I came down to get. And I got some fun still things. I say fun, some, hopefully we'll see how they turn out, but I think some good still shots. But of course, today was the only day we could fly the drone because of that winds yesterday, and we were just leaving an area where I hoped to get some more drone shots, but the wind even blew my hat off. I had to go hiking to get my hat back. So I said, I'm not going to fly my drone out there in that wind. But anyway, so stay tuned, because I think we got some great shots and some great drone footage to show you here. Thanks for joining us. This was a quick trip that we took to a place we've been several times before, so I thought it would be fun to intersperse some still images that I had taken on previous visits with the drone footage and shots we got on this trip. Hope you enjoy.
I always gain about 3 or 4 pounds on these trips when I go with Chad. Here he is as I sit and wait. And so I tend to snack or drink my soda pops while I wait for Chad to get that one last shot. Just one more shot, he always says. Just one more shot. That's all I got. One more shot.
I just have one more shot.
Yeah, see? Exactly. Well, we can't get to this part of Utah without getting to what I call the Spire. I'm sure there's some kind of official name for it, but it's not too awfully far from the Factory Butte. It's just kind of a fun place. So I'm going to do some drone video around it. Hope we all can enjoy it. it's been a fun couple days, but I'm ready to go home. And as I think I mentioned before, the Factory Butte area is one of our favorites. I appreciate you coming along with us. Chad, did you feel like it was worth our trip down there?
It's always worth it when we go down there. Favorite place.
Yeah, it's such a beauty, such a beauty. Anyway, so I'm going to wrap this one up, but we appreciate you coming along. And hey, let's hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Hit that bell so you get notified when new vlogs come up. And leave me a comment. Tell me some of your favorite places to visit. If you've ever been to Utah and been to that area, let me know. Let me know. We can swap stories about it. So thanks for coming along, and until the next one, you have a great day.
From
the world's oldest vlogger, of course.